What if I told you there's a stock that could 10x by 2025 and almost nobody is talking about it? This is the kind of opportunity that turns everyday investors into millionaires. And if you think this sounds like hype, stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal not just this explosive stock, but also 2 bonus picks that could quietly multiply your money in the next 2 years. Let's dive in. The truth is, every decade has that one life-changing investment. In the 1990s, it was Amazon. In the 2000s, it was Apple. In the 2010s, it was Tesla. And now, in the 2020s, it's artificial intelligence. AI isn't just another tech trend. It's the backbone of the future. From self-driving cars to medicine to finance, AI is rewriting the rules of business, and the companies building this technology could see explosive growth. Now let's talk about the stock that could 10x by 2025. This company is Palantir. Once a secretive defense contractor, Palantir now helps governments and Fortune 500 companies analyze data using advanced AI. Their new artificial intelligence platform, also called AIP, is already being adopted by companies worldwide. And here's the kicker. Palantir has long-term contracts with the US government, NATO allies, and private corporations. This means recurring revenue and massive growth potential. In 2023, Palantir turned profitable for the first time, and Wall Street still isn't paying enough attention. If AI demand keeps growing, Palantir could easily 10 times before 2025. But wait, I promised you 2 more bonus stocks. The first bonus stock is NVIDIA. This company makes the chips that power nearly every AI model on the planet. ChatGPT, Tesla's self-driving, cloud data centers. They all run on NVIDIA. Right now, NVIDIA controls more than 80% of the AI chip market. Yes, the stock has already surged, but AI demand is nowhere near its peak. If AI adoption doubles by 2025, NVIDIA could still climb much higher. The second bonus stock is C3.ai. This one is smaller, but it's a pure AI play. C3 builds AI software for energy companies, defense contractors, and big manufacturers. Because it's a small-cap stock, it's more volatile. But if adoption accelerates, C3.ai could deliver massive returns much faster than the giants. So, let's recap. The 3 AI stocks to watch before 2025 are Palantir, NVIDIA, and C3.ai. Palantir could be the next 10x winner. NVIDIA is the essential pick-and-shovel play in AI, and C3.ai is the high-risk, high-reward wild card. Now imagine this. What if you had bought Amazon when it was just a small online bookstore, or Tesla when it was dismissed as just another car company? That's the kind of moment AI investors are in right now. The question is, will you take action before 2025, or will you look back 2 years from now, wishing you had? Tell me in the comments. Which of these 3 stocks do you think has the biggest upside? If you got value from this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and get ready for more financial insights that could change your future.